Hello Woolbuddy friends. Are you ready to bring a little charm to your crafting table? Today we'll needle felt this adorable llama, a project that's beginner friendly and full of creativity. If you are trying this character for the first time, don't worry, I've made these step-by-step instructions to guide you. So let's get started. Don't forget, you can grab this llama needle felting kit from the link in the description below. First, we'll create the base of our llama's body using white wool. Take a generous amount, roll it into an oval shape, and poke it gently with your needle to firm it up. Remember, small, controlled pokes work best to avoid accidents. Here you can see that I am still not satisfied with the size of the base, so I will be adding another layer of white wool to give it more volume. Now it's time to shape the llama's neck and head. Start by shaping a cylinder, then poke it gently with your needle to firm it up. Don't rush. Just be patient and enjoy the process of poking. Now grab your beige wool and layer it over the white base. This will give our llama its signature soft, warm coat. Gently poke the wool into place until you get a smooth, even surface. Make sure also to smooth out any lumps that you come across with. Don't forget to cover the side of the base too. After layering the base of the body fully, let's now cover the base of the neck and head with the same color of wool. Alright, let's move on to the legs, an important step to make sure our llama can stand tall and proud. For this, we'll be using the same beige wool. Now here's a handy trick. Shape all four legs at once for consistency. This way they'll look even and symmetrical when attached to the body. Roll each piece of wool gently into a cylinder shape about the same size as your little finger. Don't worry if they aren't perfect. Llamas are naturally quirky and yours can have its own personality. After that, attach the head to the neck using your needle. And blend everything together with beige wool for a seamless look. Once you're happy with it, attach each leg to the body. Be gentle when positioning them, and remember to keep everything proportional so your llama stands evenly. Check each foot if it still wobbles before attaching the next foot. A little more poking will secure it firmly. Let's now give our llama with some personality. Grab some brown wool to create the muzzle. Felt it onto the lower part of the head, just above the neck. Then add a thin layer of beige wool on top of the head to imitate the llama's fluffy fleece. Did you know llama fleece is super soft and hypoallergenic? Perfect for crafting inspiration. To make the ears, take small amounts of beige wool and felt them into thin, but a little longer ear shapes. For smaller details like the ears or other fine work, I recommend using a fine gauge needle. It gives you better precision without poking too much wool out of place. Then attach them to the head proportionately. Now comes the part that truly brings our llama's eye to life. Use a tiny amount of brown wool for a soft gradient under the eyes. For the eyeballs, grab a tiny bit of white wool and roll it gently between your fingers. Use small, shallow pokes and work from the edges inward to maintain that nice round shape. Now it's time to add the pupils. Take the tiniest amount of black wool. Place it right in the center of the white wool, or slightly off center if you want your llama to look curious or playful. Finally, let's give our llama a bit of flair with a colorful saddle. Use yellow wool to shape the saddle, place and felt it carefully at the back of the llama. Next, grab a strip of white wool and carefully lay the white wool around the inside edges of the yellow saddle. Hold it in place with your fingers and poke lightly to attach it, working in small sections. This helps the strip stay crisp and even. Now for the fun part. Adding a bit of playful flair. We'll use red and blue wool to create little dots that will make our saddle pop with color. But place it on the yellow saddle and use short, shallow pokes to secure it. I like to alternate colors to keep it balanced. Feel free to personalize the design to match your style. This is your chance to get creative, make it as bright or as simple as you like. Just basically do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it, your very own Woolbuddy llama. Isn't it just the cutest? If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to check out our llama needle felting kit in the description below. Plus, check out our website for more adorable kits and creative inspiration. Thank you for crafting with me today. Subscribe to our channel for more needle felting tutorials. Happy felting, everyone!